Hi, here's how to properly make a copy of our Search Console Local Studio dashboard. So you can enjoy every aspect of this dashboard, especially the brand and generic page. Like every other dashboard, you come here, click make a copy. You can say you have URL and site. You might not be able to see the details here when you're making a copy. So the first one is URL and the second one is site. So you click on new data source on the URL side on the first one, then you click on create data source. You search or look for search console. Sorry for the board dog barking. So you click on your 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 property here. You can choose either one, the domain level or the HTTPS level. For the sake of this video, I will select the HTTPS level. The first one, like I said, is the URL impression. Click on it and click on web, then click on connect. Please rename the 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 data source name. Since it's URL, just put URL in front. You can name it anything you want, but make sure you'll be able to differentiate or demarcate that this is the URL data version of the data source. Then click on add to report. Do the same for the second one, but this time you're gonna select the site level. Again, search for search console data source, search console, select the same property type that you select. If you select HTTP the first time, you cannot select the domain name the second time. If you select the domain name the first time, you cannot select the HTTPS the second time. So since we selected the HTTPS the first time, you're gonna select HTTPS again the second time, but this time you're gonna select the site impression. Sorry for the dog. Then again click on web, then click on connect. Like the first one, rename it. Make sure you can differentiate that this is the site level. So click on add to report, then click on copy report. This is gonna take some time. Allow local studio to do its thing. Remain just to chat to load. Give it some time. Yep. So as you can see, the dashboard has been copied. It looks like it has been fully copied, but it has not. There's one more thing, maybe two more things that you need to do to enjoy the brand page. You need to include the brand terms in the data source, in the site level data source. So to do that, click on edit, click on resource, and click on manage added data source. On the site level, click on edit, okay, then click on add a parameter, then name the parameter brand terms, please. It has to be exactly the same name. So then you're gonna uh, copy inside the file that you receive when you bought this template. It's a text file, so copy the brand times there, something like this. So you copy from the dot up to the star, copy and then paste here. Then you need to change this these words to your own brand terms. Change this word to your own brand terms. If your brand term is Google, change this to Google. Then if there's another way this people search for Google, maybe they search Go and Go. Then if you have more than one brand terms, just copy from the pipe symbol, which means or in SQL. Copy then paste. Then put the third brand terms here. Maybe it's Google. So like that, if you have just one brand times, then just delete from the pipe. Just have only this one here. But for the sake of this tutorial, I will use my own brand times. So I paste it here, then click on save, then click on, when you see parameter has been saved, then you click on done. If you go back to the brand, you can see that the brand page is now working perfectly. But as you can see, I only have generic queries here. There's currently no brand terms for the search console property that I'm using. And also you can see that this filter needs to be renamed. You see, it's the brand and generic filter, so you need to rename it. Just call it brand slash generic slash generic, then click on apply. Then you see, as it is here, something similar. But come here, brand slash generic, and then you need to do the same thing for search time. You see search intent type. But if you come to our new template here, you see the same thing happen. You have to rename the filter. So rename is search intent type. Then click on apply. So, and then lastly, if you come to the query page, query analysis page, you see another filter that needs to be renamed, the query length. But if you come to our very own, the one we just made a copy of, you come to query analysis, you realize the same thing happened to the filter down here. You see, you need to rename it. Query length. Then click on apply. And that is it. You have successfully made a copy of the search console local studio dashboard. So enjoy.